Not long ago, made in China in the car world meant cheap copies and low quality. But fast forward to 2025, and that phrase has a whole new meaning. From electric startups to luxury giants, China has become one of the most powerful car producers on Earth. In this video, we'll reveal which cars are actually built in China and why even brands like Tesla, BMW, and Volvo rely on Chinese factories today. In just a decade, China went from assembling cheap knockoffs to leading the world in EV innovation and production volume. In 2025, China manufactures more than 30% of all new cars worldwide. The secret: lower production costs, government incentives, and an incredibly fast supply chain, especially for electric vehicles and batteries. It's not just Chinese brands. Many Western automakers now build cars in China, not only for local sales, but also for export. Here are some examples you probably didn't know about. Volvo XC60 and S90, made in Daqing and Chengdu. Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, Shanghai Gigafactory exports to Europe. BMW iX3, fully built in China for global markets. Buick Envision, designed and assembled by SAIC GM. Polestar 2, built in Luqiao, China. Lotus Electre, produced in Wuhan. Then there are homegrown champions, Chinese brands now competing globally. Companies like BYD, NIO, XPeng, MG, now owned by SAIC, and Geely are expanding rapidly across Europe and beyond. BYD even overtook Tesla in global EV sales last year, while MG's lineup has become a European bestseller. The biggest shift isn't just production, it's perception. Early Chinese cars struggled with safety and reliability. Today, brands like BYD and Zeekr achieve 5-star Euro NCAP ratings, cutting-edge tech, and premium interiors that rival German competitors, all at lower prices. But challenges remain: limited brand trust, geopolitical tension, and import restrictions in some markets. Love it or hate it, the future of car manufacturing runs through China. It's the new industrial powerhouse, building everything from budget EVs to luxury flagships. And whether you're driving a Tesla, a BMW, or even a Volvo, there's a good chance a piece of China is already riding with you. Which of these cars surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and tell us, would you buy a car made in China?